Come on! Oh, oh, fuck you.
Are you serious? There's an intruder!
Squad, we have alerts of a hostile in your area.
What in the name of God? Jesus! Active! Oh my God! Fuck! He's hit! Surrender your weapon.
911, please state your emergency. Can you repeat that? Hello?
Time.
Move in, sir. Go to these coordinates and take care of the problem.
Get out and find that sucker.
We have an alert on a possible felon near your location. Over. Right there.
What the hell was that? Ah! Make it stop! Taking cover! Stop where you are! FBI! What? I'm hit! Grenade out!
Suspect down.
Shit!
That a bad name with your misspelled name? E-I-H-T.
Please state the nature of your emergency.
Keep after him.
CTOS verified your location. Police are on the way.
I'm in hit. Squad, be advised that a possible